Hello and welcome to Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new videos as soon as they arrive, just like this one here today. Also, if you want to see any of the still pictures of the specific cargo van or any other cargo van we currently have in stock, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival dealership, a Ram 2020 2500 159-inch wheelbase high top cargo van. These cargo vans are absolutely phenomenal in the cargo van world just because it has some features that none of the other competition offers, which we'll go through on some of that today. Starting off on the front, we're going to notice we do have a black front grille, front bumper, front grille combo. And guys, this is a really cool feature because it's a 5-piece front bumper. So for example, if you would damage this spot right here, you do not have to replace the whole entire front bumper. You just replace that section, which is cost savings for the business owner and definitely convenient because they can get you in and out of the service department a lot quicker. Nice steely wheels, 16-inch steel wheels, just your basic wheel there. It's got real nice plastic molding that runs along the driver and passenger side. This is a nice feature when parking in them tighter spots. You definitely prevent you from getting door dings all over the side of your metal cargo van. On the back of the cargo van, up top in between the two center doors, you do have a backup camera that's standard on this vehicle, which is a really nice feature considering there is no rear windows in this particular cargo van. And like I said, guys, with this being an interior or a high top conversion van, the interior height of this is over 6 foot. I'm a 6 foot tall guy, and I probably have 2 or 3 inches above my head when standing inside the cargo van. First thing you're going to notice when you open the large side sliding door to the rear of the cargo van is it's extremely wide. So you have plenty of capability. It will actually fit a skid in there sideways, so you could actually load from the side here, and then you could also load a skid in the back at the same time. Instead of pushing it forward, scraping up the floor, maybe the back bumper, you can literally put one in the side of the cargo van and then also one in the back. A really nice feature, and people really like it. One of the first things that I noticed with these cargo vans is the ground clearance. The bottom of the entryway is extremely low compared to the competition. So you have a lot shorter of a step up to get into this cargo van than any of the other competition. And the reason we can do that is because this is a front wheel drive cargo van. Therefore, you have no drive shaft running to the rear wheels. Therefore, it gives us capability of lowering the vehicle down closer to the ground and also increasing the interior height for the person climbing in and out of the vehicle. So, getting into the cargo van, like I said, I'm a 6 foot tall guy. I'm standing up very comfortably in here and do have extra room up top above my head. Pretty basic inside these cargo vans, nothing special. One thing to notice in the rear of the cargo van, you do have 5 hooks. Actually 4 hooks on the driver's side. I'm sorry, that run all the way to the front. And then you also do have 4 on the passenger side. 1 right there in the doorway opening, and then 2 right before the wheel well, and then 1 right behind the wheel well. So plenty of places to tie stuff down, which makes it nice. Also up front above your driver and passenger seating, you do have capability of a little storage area up there. Not much, but a little bit where you could store whatever it is you need to store up there. So that's a nice feature to have. Everything's pretty much standard up in the front of this. It does have a plastic floor on the bottom, so you simply can spray it out. Rubber floor, if you want to say, I'm sorry. But overall, just a really nice feel to that. You do have hand controls on this particular vehicle, so you do have capability of turning your volume up and down on your radio, which is a nice feature to have. You do have Bluetooth capability on this particular radio, so you can program your cell phone directly into the radio, and you can answer your phone calls by simply hitting the button. No longer have to reach for your door or your phone while driving down the road. Simply just hit the button, carry on the conversation. Great for safety reasons too. Power windows, power locks on this particular van. It does have a touchscreen radio. So you do have AM, you do have your FM on touchscreen radio. You have media capability where you can download media directly into this radio. Like I said, you can't pair your phone, and the compass is built in there also. AC and heat on this particular cargo van. All your knobs are located right here. USB plug, 12 volt DC plug. You do have some cup holders down here below, and then one up here, and some cubby holes for storage. So overall, just a really nice cargo van. Really got some really cool features, especially for the interior height on this. The ease of getting in and out of the cargo van due to the fact that it's got the low ground clearance. And these doors are a nice feature too, which is, of course, it's locked. They swing all the way around to the side of the van. Therefore, you never have to worry about hitting them doors when you're loading and unloading all your stuff, whatever it may be, in and out of the back of the van. So that's a really nice feature to have. Like I said, they fold all the way around, so they're out of the way when you're loading stuff in and out, especially with a skid loader or whatever it may be, forklift. You don't have to worry about your doors getting all banged up. So really nice feature, and you do still have that huge clearance inside. The whole entryway is, that's probably 6 foot tall right there alone. So that makes it really nice. So, and again, this is a brand new 2020 Ram ProMaster 2500 high top cargo van. Just got some really cool features to it. Front wheel drive, V6. You're going to get mid-20s in fuel economy. So I've heard guys get 26, 27 miles per gallon on these cargo vans, which is awesome when it comes to cargo van world. Plenty of payload. Just a really cool and very well thought out cargo van. This vehicle is located at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as it arrives in the lot. If you want to see any of the still pictures of this or a full description of everything that's on and in this vehicle, visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. And for the guaranteed best price nationwide, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.